Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So if you guys see, we have a lot of good analysis to be done today and we have already did most of the work. So it's just entry, exits and stuff today. So if you guys see, Nifty is kind of in a resistance place, okay? So this is a resistance and this is a support place. It is stuck, okay? It's trapped here. So here I'll be having only two trades for Monday. If market breaks 22,180 and below, I'll be shorting it. Okay, so my buy position is only post 22,255, nothing before that. Okay, because there is a very high probability for it to reverse. If I buy it here, it can go and it can reverse from here. So I don't want to do that. So I'm buying only post 22,255. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also stuck in a mid place, so here it's not a very ideal place to short. But if it gaps up or if it opens flats and if it goes to 46,890 and below, I'll be shorting it. Okay, this is how I'll be shorting it, and I have to get this price only, then I'll be shorting it. Before that, I'm not planning to short anything. And buy is only post 47,310. Next is US oil. US oil, this is on a daily time frame. This is also it's stuck in the middle. So if you guys see, this is a block which is basically a very consolidating block. This is it has to pass this phase, guys. Only if it passes $83.50 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my target will be at $93. Okay, for me the sell will be only below $79.90 and below. Okay, next is gold. Gold, we are still stuck in the same place. But I can definitely see some kind of an up and down volatile movement here. It did not close above 20,000 and that is 2040 and above, so we can't buy it here. This zone might turn negative. We have to see the price action and then trade. But the safest buy will be 2065, and the safest sell will be 2017. Okay, and we have 6 stocks for swing trading. So first one is Oriental Hotels on daily time frame. If you guys see, this is the recent high it has broken. So if I get a price of 135 to 140, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 135. Okay, next one is Zuari Industry on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, it has crossed its all-time high, but it did not survive. It has to survive above the 328 and above. Okay, only then I'll be looking forward to buy it. I'm sorry, I'm a bit confused with the numbers. No, something's wrong. So it has to cross 325 and above and survive 1 or 2 candles, then I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, next is Indus Towers. If you guys seen Indus Towers, this is a very good trend line, okay, which is trying to get broken now. So this is a base which is really good. 135 to 140 is a good base. If I get a price of 252 and above, I'll be adding positions, I'll be buying it, and my first target will be 320. Okay, then after that I'll be adding it, or I'll be trailing my stop losses. Next one is Zota Healthcare. Zota Healthcare on a daily time frame. If you guys see, this is its recent high, which has been broken now. It has to survive here, guys. 1 or 2 red candles, I'll be happy to go in. If I get a price of 360 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 495. Okay, next is Just Dial. Just Dial on a weekly time frame, it is giving a breakout on this resistance. If I get a price of 975 or 976 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 925. Okay, next is Astral. Astral is a very good stock. I've traded this earlier. It's a very good stock which is giving me very good profits. So this resistance has been touched twice already. This is the actual resistance, has been twice or thrice already. Now it has given a breakout. So if I get a price of 2090 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 1908. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video and this was informative for you. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.